Who is it that's playing Tuhila in this tranquil forest? The mournful music of Tuhila is making me feel as if my beloved is calling me. This phrase from Nagpuri folk song narrates the story of an ancient musical instrument called Tuhila, which is an integral part of the tribal community of Jharkhand. Tuhila, a soft musical instrument, is played in serene surrounds to express the emotions through music.
ये जो टोहिला है, केंद्रा है, उदास भावों को, दिल के जो गम है, दुख है, दर्द है, वेदना है, उसको व्यक्त करने वाले गीत हैं। उसमें इसका वाद्य, इस वाद्य का प्रयोग खूब होता है।
Tohila's music most beautifully spells the pain of separation, sorrow, and the spirit of love.
मुंडारी लोक गीतों में टोहिला का चित्रण हुआ है। हाय गीती उड़ा जल रहा है, युवागिरी जल रहा है, मेरा केंद्रा जल रहा है, कोई उसे बचा दे, कोई उसको ला दे। और इस दृश्य को देखकर जो टोहिला का वादक है वो रो रहा है।
Reference of Tuhila lives in Birsa Munda's biography-based Munda folklores. In his childhood, Birsa, while taking the cattle out to graze, would carry Tuhila and flute along with him and play them in the serenity of the forest. Banam is another ancient musical instrument that is a part of tribal tradition.
बनाम का आवाज में इतना जादू है, हमको अगर उसमें किसी का मन भी लग गया है तो दूर से वो पहचाने कि कौन बनाम बजाते हैं।
Banam is mainly associated with Santhal tribes. Banam too has a soft musical sound. It is played in moments of leisure.
जितने भी फेस्टिवल होता है उसमें लांगड़े इन्हें दोंग जैसे शादी ब्याह में तभी भी बजता है, गाने के साथ बनाम भी बजाते हैं।
बनाम का अर्थ होता है बहाना। दिन भर जब हम लोग जंगल में शिकार करते हैं, थक जाते हैं, तो शाम को, रात को उस थकान को दूर करने के लिए ये बनाम का प्रयोग हम लोग करते थे। हम लोगों का दादा परदादा कब से जो बजाते हुए आ रहे हैं, अभी तक इसका हम लोग को पता नहीं चला।
Banam's historical reference could be found in the history of martyrdom of Baijal Baba of Santhal Pargana. It is known that revolutionary Baijal Sorain tied ghungru on his feet and played Banam on his way to Shivri jail in the British Army's custody.
पंडित रघुनाथ मुर्मू का रचयिता एक गाना है। आपका लिपि, आपका भाषा, आपका धर्म यदि लुप्त हो जाएगा तो आप कहीं का नहीं रह जाएंगे। इसका अर्थ यही है।
Tuila and Banam are the conveyors of human emotions. They are the ancient musical instruments from tribal folk tradition that are getting lost in the din of modern music.
बनाम के साथ साथ बहुत सा जो वाद्य यंत्र है हम लोग का नहीं मिटे, कहे कि ये यदि मिट जाएगा तो हमारे लड़के बच्चे जो है ना ये म्यूजियम में ही देख पाएंगे।
These instruments are now losing their relevance and are no more played in any of the occasions. In fact, there are only handful of Banam and Tuila players available.
टोहिला एक दुर्लभ हो जाने वाला वाद्य यंत्र है। मेरी जानकारी में अब तक इस शहर के आसपास में एक ही व्यक्ति इसके वादक रह गए हैं, वो है काली शंकर माली।
So, we met Kali Shankar Mahali, who lives in Tati Silve, Ranchi. He is probably the only Tuila player today.
शब्दों के माध्यम से जो बात को आदमी व्यक्त नहीं कर पाता है या व्यक्त नहीं कर पाया तो वो चीज टोहिला पे निकलता है।
Tradition, music and musical instruments play an important role in tribal life. All these put together gives tribal life a special identity. Extinction of music and musical instruments would thus mean extinction of tribal identity.
Tata Steel believes that under the onslaught of urbanization, globalization, industrialization, there is an imminent danger that some of our traditional cultures, our ways of life, our worldviews could get lost and could get lost forever. It is in that respect that Tata Steel set up the Tribal Cultural Society, not just to preserve traditional tribal cultures but also to promote them. And I dare say Tata Steel would be one of the only companies, not just in India but around the world, which is working on some of these cultural aspects of indigenous people.
उनके जितने वाद्य यंत्र हैं धीरे धीरे समय के अनुसार लुप्त होते जा रहे हैं। उनको बचाने के लिए ट्राइबल कल्चर सोसाइटी ने ट्राइबल कल्चर सेंटर में एक संग्रहालय बनाया है और जिसमें जितने वाद्य यंत्र हैं आदिवासियों के उनको संग्रह किया है।
Kali Shankar has by now believed that now he would be the last of his tribe who would know how to play Tuila. But now, with the support of Tata Steel Tribal Cultural Society, he is teaching the art to some youth from Ranchi and its vicinity.
रांची क्षेत्रीय भाषा विभाग जो है उसमें हम अभी सिखलाते हैं। 10-12 स्टूडेंट हैं, हम लोग अभी सीख रहे हैं।
टाटा स्टील ट्राइबल कल्चर सोसाइटी की कोशिश यही है कि आदिवासियों का जो वाद्य यंत्र है बनाम और टुइला इसको फिर से लोकप्रिय बनाया जाए। उनका एक स्कूल चलाया जा रहा है, उसमें आज के दिन में 60-70 ट्राइबल युवा आज वाद्य यंत्र सीख रहे हैं।
Tata Steel Tribal Cultural Society has also taken initiatives to popularize Banam too. Suraj Tuddu is teaching Banam in Karandi, Jamshedpur.
लड़की भी हमारा कम से कम 10-11 लड़की है और लड़के लोग भी 20-25 तो लड़के हैं.
Tuila isn't available in any shop. Tuila players themselves make tuila. It is made up of the dry pumpkin shell. A thin bamboo is attached as a neck to the instrument and a cocoon thread is tied as string. A horse-shaped wooden block is put at the other end of the bamboo. When this string is touched by fingers, the music is produced by the virtue of its vibrations. The pumpkin shell, which is placed on the chest, gives variations in the rhythm.
टुहिला झारखंड का एक बहुत ही अनोखा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है और कोई भी मेलोडी इंस्ट्रूमेंट की तरह इसमें सातों स्वर हम बजा सकते हैं, तो नेचुरली इसको हम कोई भी म्यूजिक में यूज कर सकते हैं.
Similarly, one can't find banam in any shop or factory. The banam players themselves are the makers. Banam is similar to sarangi in its appearance. It is made up of a wooden cast, which is hollowed in the middle and covered with leather on the top. Hair from the horse's tail is used as string. This is called chavar. A horse-shaped wooden block is placed to tighten it. Creating friction on chavar brings the sound, and rhythm is controlled by fingers.
We also want to put a spotlight on these instruments so that they become more and more popular, more people take them up and learn about them, learn these instruments, how to play them. And it is in that respect that we got our Banam teachers and students to travel to Delhi and jam with the Indian Ocean Rock group at a concert in the India Habitat Center. And the crowd of Delhi just loved it, the fusion of rock with Jharkhand tribal music. And subsequently they have started getting offers and inquiries from several organizations. And we believe that if we can continue to do this over a period of time, then these instruments would have got a fresh breath of life.
Tuila and Banam, the musical instruments from tribal folk tradition, were on the verge of extinction, and so were its players. Through the initiative taken by Tata Steel Tribal Cultural Society, these instruments are coming back to their long-lost glory in Jharkhand.